Hello, my name is Sharon Matthews and I live in the Goulburn Valley. This region covers Victoria and southern New South Wales. We rely on the river systems for domestic water, agricultural irrigation and recreational activities, which is why I have focused on carp eradication as my inquiry. Since the 1960s, European carp, a fish species that is not native to Australia, have invaded the river systems, resulting in severe environmental damage to all aquatic systems. Currently, carp make up the greatest number of fish in the Goulburn River, my local river. Carp impact upon the environmental sustainability of the river systems in three main ways. Firstly, carp are bottom feeders, which creates a muddy environment, reducing water quality and sunlight that native fish and plants need to survive. This type of feeding leaves few invertebrates for other fish to eat and uproots plants, which in turn compromises riverbanks. Secondly, carp are adaptable to a variety of water conditions, assisting them to migrate very easily. And finally, carp are prolific breeders. A 3 kilogram carp can spawn over 1 million eggs in 1 year, compared to a 3 kilogram native fish, which can spawn only 70,000. Carp simply take over the river systems by their sheer numbers. Carp eradication is not a new topic. However, it is of significance right now as the Australian Government is beginning a community consultation on the koi herpes virus, which it hopes to introduce to the river systems in 2018. This is a waterborne virus with a 70 to 100% mortality rate. However, this introduces its own environmental concerns as it is a deliberate release of an exotic virus into the unique Australian ecosystem. Research was conducted through the search engine Google, Google Scholar and the Curtin University library-based database ProQuest, which I found the most effective. I used keywords such as European carp, introduced fish species, Goulburn River and Murray-Darling Basin. From these searches, a number of journals and peer-reviewed studies were located, leading to the information of the koi herpes virus and a lot of information on carp management. Much of the information about the virus was very scientific and difficult to understand. Additionally, many research studies looked at methods to eradicate the virus, yes, the virus, not eradicating a carp, as carp are a valuable food source in other parts of the world. Therefore, in the future, I need to locate more Australian-based articles and research. Key findings from the research so far have included information on the degree of devastation carp have brought to the river systems, the methods trialled to reduce numbers, the vast areas affected by carp, and the koi herpes virus. Further investigation will be made into questions raised by the potential release of the virus. This inquiry would be applicable for Year 6 students, as there are a large number of issues that would provide opportunity for students to direct their own learning. Also, the information surrounding the virus would be too complicated for younger students. This inquiry fits with the Australian curriculum cross-curriculum priority of sustainability and key areas of biological science and humanities and social science. Specifically, the growth and survival of living things are affected by physical conditions of their environment and examine different viewpoints on actions, events, issues and phenomena in the past and present.